So as you probably know by now, it's my spring detox season, and I'm going to show you some of the foods that I'm going to be eating during the liver cleanse. So I have a pre-liver cleanse day, and on the day I continue to eat foods that are rich in sulfur that actually help to utilize the glutathione that our bodies naturally make that aids the detoxification in the liver. And the foods that we should be consuming are our cruciferous vegetables. So we're talking about things like our cauliflower, our broccoli, avocado, cabbage, onions, tomatoes, and I've got an array of foods as well that aid in the detoxification of the liver. And I've also made some wonderful sauces to go with our simple, humble, nutritious foods. So let's start off with this bowl of broccoli and cauliflower florets. So all I've done is just wash and prepare these, put them into bite-sized pieces, and here I've made myself just my very own special hot pepper dip, which I've made with some red chili. I've put a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some maple syrup, some garlic. I've seasoned it with salt, sea salt, pepper, and I'm just going to just dip and eat. And that's it. It's so delicious because it's quite bland in flavour. We're eating raw foods, but you can lightly steam them. And then you can just basically drizzle it over. If you just want to make a salad out of it, and simply toss it together. It's quite chilly, so a little bit goes a long way, but it's got a sweet chili flavour to it, and I'm going to put in some tomatoes. That's just going to add a refreshing touch, and some okra. These are just, simple, easy ways that you can utilise your sulfur-rich foods to make something just quite delicious and simple. And there you go, look at this salad. It's as simple as that. And you've got this beautiful, rich abundance of flavours and colours that are going to help aid the detoxification of your liver. So that's just one dish here. And like I said, you can just have it as a dip, as a snack. You can snack on that with your favourite dip. It doesn't have to be a chili dip. And I've also got some open lettuce sandwiches. And all I've put in here are just julienned squash and some beetroot, radish, again cauliflower, and also some I've said radish, and also some avocado that I'm going to slice in here with my cauliflower, radish, broccoli, beetroot, so it adds a nice little sweet flavour as well. You can dice your avocado, you can slice your avocado, but really all I want to do is just to make a simple wrap. And you could even add avocado into the broccoli dish with the cauliflower that I made earlier. And I made myself a lovely basil sauce with a little bit of smoked paprika, and I'm going to drizzle it in there. And then you just roll it up and make yourself a nice gluten-free, crunchy sandwich. It's so nice and crunchy. I prefer not to steam them because I love the crunch and the freshness from my raw vegetables. But it's absolutely delicious either way. Whether you want to steam them or not, you can even add in some cress. I'll even put a little bit of cress on on this dish that I did as well. And if I want to, I'll add in some green sauce just to finish off dressing it. So many different ways that you can do it. You can do it with a lemon and herb dressing. It's really entirely up to you. Over here, I've got a bowl full of an array of veggies here. And I'm starting off with my romaine lettuce, red cabbage, beetroot. I've got some grated squash, tomatoes, broccoli and cauliflower, spring onion, and some radish. We're going to toss them together just to make a big mixed salad bowl. Got my beetroot there, my cabbage, my romaine, my squash, broccoli, cauliflower, tomato. Give it a good toss, and I've got my spring onion in there. You can use red onion, you can use spring onion. Both of them have similar properties, and they're both sulfur-rich, which is good. That's what we want for our detox for the liver. Nice sulfur-rich foods. It doesn't have to be boring. Raw food can be totally delicious. And you want to utilize your abundance of your cruciferous vegetables. Make a lovely big rainbow tossed salad. And then I'm going to get my dill dressing. And I've made my dill dressing with Brazil nuts, which are full of sulfur. It's a sulfur-rich nut, so I've opted for that. I'm going to drizzle it over. Green dressing made from Brazil nut cream with my dill. And guess what? I don't know if you remember in the last video, I had some papaya seed. Papaya seed is particularly good for your gut when it comes to parasites. And it's got a bit of a peppery flavour. So I'm just going to toss it over my salad. With some of my cress sprouts, and you can use alfalfa sprouts, you can sprout your quinoa, your lentils, chickpeas. It's entirely up to you. Just utilize all the abundance, keep it live, keep it fresh, and enjoy all of the beautiful sauces and dressings that I've put in the Spring Detox Planner for those who have joined the Spring Detox. And this year it's great because you can still join, because we have some people who have started a bit later. So you can still get onto the detox train, get in touch with me. We can start where you're at. Doesn't cost you anything. Click the link below to arrange a free call and we can have a chat about your health goals and needs. But this is it, guys. This wonderful, natural, delicious tossed salad. We've got our open sandwiches here, lettuce leaf with, and we can also put, hey, let's put some, let's even put in some avocado in this as well. Just cube a bit of avocado, put that in, because avocado is also one of our sulfur-rich foods, and it also helps to sort of, you know, give a nice creamy texture to our salad. I love avocado on almost everything when it comes to fresh food. I make creams and dips with it. There's so many things you can do with avocado. Add it to a smoothie to give it that creamy, rich texture. And of course, don't forget our humble kale. You can massage your kale. If you give it a nice massage with a little drizzle of olive oil and just a pinch of salt. And I like to add pomegranate seeds and just utilize nature's abundance. Just experiment with your flavors, guys, and make your foods as delicious and enjoyable as possible. And I hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.